तो सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ TCS, यस इन्फोसिस, यस विप्रो, यस HCL टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में। Which IT stock buy after Q3 result 2026? According to expert Infosys delivered a resilient Q3 result, while TCS reported a modest QoQ revenue growth. HCL Tech emerges as one of the stronger performers in Q3 financial year 2026, but Wipro reported 7% OI decline in profit. Stock to buy from long time. According to expert, Q3 result for the 2026 session have reinforced this view that India's large cap IT sector is gradually moving out of a prolonged, prolonged consolidation phase. TCS vs Infosys vs Wipro vs HCL Technologies. After the announcement of Wipro Q3 result 2026 on Friday last week, Indian IT major TCS, Infosys, HCL Technologies and Wipro have now made their Q3 result public. The Q3 result for the 2026 session have sparked buzz that India's largest cap IT sector is gradually emerging from a prolonged consideration phase, so investors might be looking at the four large cap Indian IT stock TCS, Infosys, HCL Technologies and Wipro as a value pick. However, they might get confused about which of these four stocks will ultimately become a wealth creator. According to stock market expert, Infosys delivered a resilient Q3 financial year 2026 performance, while TCS reported a modest QoQ revenue growth. They said that HCL Tech emerged as one of the stronger performers this quarter, but Wipro reported 7% YoY decline in profit. Why an IT stock to buy after Q3 result? On why should look at large cap IT stock to buy after Q3 result 2026. Sangha Sasadev, founder of SS Wells, did their Q3 financial year 2026 earnings session has reinforced the view that India's large cap IT sector is gradually moving out of a prolonged consolidation phase, while near-term profitable has been impacted by one-time cost related to implementation new labor codes. Underlying revenue momentum deal with AI-led opportunity and improving technical structures points to a more constructive medium-term outlook. With the IT index having underperformed sharply in 2025, down nearly 11%, valuation remain attractive, setting the stage for a potential turnaround in 2026. Embracing global monetary and condition and currency tailwinds.